Discover the secrets to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design tips. Make every space shine. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So if you scroll down, we have also here other things like also how to create your a website for free. So you can just follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step is choose a platform. So you have just to sign up for a secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have start creating, choose from over than 900 fully functional templates for you, or use the EA website builder. Then we have the third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and tailor your site to fit your brand. Then we have the fourth step is optimize for search engines. Increase your site's visibility with a search of built-in SEO tools. Then we have the fifth step is publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. Then we have the last step is promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So you can just right now to click over get started. So you have signed up, already have an account. You have just to write your email and you confirm your email here. And then you write your password. Then you confirm your password also. Then you click over sign up. Then we have your let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? So we have it for myself, my business, or a friend, or for a client as a freelancer or an agency. So let's click for this one and you click over continue. So we have here agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. So we have just manage multiple client sites and projects all from one workspace. You have collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas. Design with custom breakpoint, code-free animations, and responsive AI. Then you have ensure a seamless handover with personalized client kits. So we click over continue here with Wix, as you can see. So we have here bring your ideas to life with EA. Tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage. So you click over setup without chat and we have here what type of website you want to create. So for example, you click over online store, for example online clothes store, and you click over continue. Then we have here load in your dashboard. So you have just to wait. And we have here the home page will come to your dashboard. Let's set up your store. So I have here start setting up your store. Give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. So you have just to write it. For example, and then you click over continue. You already have an online store. This will help us customize your site based on your store's needs. So yes, I'm already selling online, or no, I'm just starting out. Then you click over continue. Then we have here what kind of products are you selling. Select anything you are selling now or plan to sell in the future. For example, physical products, and you click over continue. Then you have here how are you offering your products. This will let you manage all your sales channels in one place. So you click over continue after choose that. Then you click over continue to dashboard. So let's wait. So this is the dashboard as you can see. So the first thing that you have to do is just verify all these things, and you have here quick add, also help here, explore, upgrade, search for tools, apps, helps, and you can just right now click over design. So here we have how would you like to design your website. So we have here generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds, and we have here customize a template. Post thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. So I will click over the first one, generate here. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and mobile optimization, making it a comprehensive solution for both personal personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So we have your site brief, and we have your art generating CSS shop, your online cloud store state. Once the site is ready, you can click on anything you want to change in the brief to adjust the content and design. So then you click over here continue, then you write your and you click then after continue here, and once you do that you have just to select your image and your photo, and then you modify all you have to do and all you have to need, and then you get started with Wix. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So this is how it works with Wix. You can just get started right now, and you can also upload photo here in design and modify all the steps, and like title, photo, video, music also, and other things like settings. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.